Our therapy team is very excited for this new project of ours. We have this home that we are going to be building our participants' capacity and independent living skills. We've got a full kitchen, bathroom, laundry and bedrooms, as well as a garden outside to build those independent living skills so that our participants can live independently or as independently as they can.
Hi, welcome to the BlueWing Show, where we're going to talk about relief, support, care and family for our participants. It is our mission to show you there is help and support and people that care about the individuals.
What we're going to be doing today is we are baking a cake with two of our participants, Josh and Zach. They are currently in the process of a supported independent living application where we'll apply through the NDIS for them to live independently. Today, do you know why we're doing the session here?
No.
Okay. What's your main goal for the end of this year?
Get an apartment.
So that means you have to live by yourselves, right? So our task today is we're gonna make some cake, okay? I want you to go through it together, so we're gonna work all together to try and do this, okay? So what goes first?
Is that your head now?
2 eggs.
2 eggs.
Okay. I've preheated the oven, so that's all good, okay? So we've done that step. So here's your mixing bowl. What's first?
2 eggs.
Okay. Okay, what's next?
2 3 cups of 150 ml of milk.
Good job. Is that right?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, well done. Okay, guys, what's next?
We pull in.
Putting in. 3 tablespoons of 60 grams of soft raisin butter or margarine.
I'm gonna wash this.
The butter's not.
It's not melted yet, yeah? What's next? What's the last step?
Now you're actually 2 more steps.
We're just going to put this in now.
Okay.
Yeah, this is that too.
Yeah. Okay, Josh, can you open that for me, please?
Not bad.
And then you have to scrape the bowl, don't you?
Yes.
Yeah?